I love the coin pusher arcade games, mostly because that's what I used to do as a kid. Back in the 80s, I used to go to the arcade, get paid from delivering newspapers, take my money, play arcade games. These coin pushers are a lot of fun. You know what I'm talking about. They look like this. Yeah, you drop in the coins and they fall off the shelves. These cards are intermixed with all of the goodies, and you can turn them in for tickets and then redeem the tickets for prizes. I just like collecting the cards, and Willy Wonka is a great franchise. I love this movie, and this is the complete set of cards. I used a laser engraver and a CNC machine to help make this display case. I'm going to show you how I made it. I start off by making the colored background underneath the yellow letters. And you can see I started this carve and had it in the wrong orientation. So I changed the file and now it's carving correctly. I came really close to the edge as well. Got lucky there. Now I focus on the white backing. This also goes on the BobsCNC quantum router that I have. This time I did not position it incorrectly, so I'm getting better, which is good. Now onto the laser. I focus on the letter forms now. Purchase links for the laser and the CNC machine are in the description. I use primer for the letters because I want the yellow to lay on it very nicely. I rearrange everything and then hit it with the yellow spray paint. Looks good so far. Then I paint this purple, hit that a few times, and then roller on white acrylic house paint. Please like and subscribe if you're digging this. That helps a lot. Now that I got all the pieces ready, it's time to assemble. I use the E6000 craft glue, all-purpose craft glue. It does a good job. Follow the template when I need to. With that, put that on also with the E6000. And now to secure the cards themselves, I have this super sticky foam tape. And just apply those to each one. That's it. Good to go. I think it came out really great. Purchase links for everything is in the description. Thanks, Internet.